Do we have enough cheese, you think? And there's only 4 of us. So we got a lot of Miyoko's cheese and some VO Life. We love this cheese. Oh, it's so good. And then we got some more cheese, like to use as a cheese sauce. We got these 2. And this one. We're gonna put it on some veggies and stuff. We also have these things made out of figs, and it's supposed to be like a mock salami. And surprisingly it has no sodium. And it's just dried figs, pepper, pistachios. So we're gonna try that for the first time, see how that is. We got some olives, roasted garlic, and chestnuts. And then we got some pretzels, vegan cheeses, and some of that fig salami. And then we're also gonna put out some crackers. And my parents are here. So we have 2 nacho type cheeses here, and I'm gonna give a taste test and see which one's better. First time having both of them. Gotta keep in mind it'll be better heated too. Mm-hmm. Crescent rolls are ready. This one has a better texture but a funny taste, I think.
I thought the same thing.
Yeah.
But the first one I thought had was like spot on for the taste.
Okay, so my conclusion is this one has a really good taste. I don't know how to say it. S-I-E-T-E. Oh, I have chips by them too. I don't know.
That's queso. Yeah, that's a good queso.
This one has a better flavor. This one has the thickness better, the texture better.
But it has a weird
funny
undertaste.
It has a strange undertaste.
Has an undertaste. A chalky undertaste.
Alright, so they're both good though. I would try it.
Yeah, me
both
too.
of them. This one just...
I'll be honest, that one has a strange undertaste, and like I said to your mom, if it wasn't for the fact that we had the other one, that one would be good. Yeah. Because we have the other one, it's like, wow, that one's really good.
Let's take out the crescent rolls. We got some crescent rolls from Trader Joe's and some Earth Balanced butter. This is the gravy we're having. We have 2 of these Pacific gravies. I think they're the same. This is just a newer packaging. And then we have the tofurkey gravy. I don't know, I might save that one. I think I'm just gonna go with one of these. And then of course you gotta have some cranberry sauce. We're about to have some dinner. This is what the plate looks like. We got the lentil loaf, some vegan gravy, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, chino, some crescent rolls, canned jelly, chino, stop it! Mashed potatoes, cheese, broccoli. We're ending the night with some pie. We got the apple and blueberry, and we also have some Breyer's non-dairy vegan ice cream, some vegan whipped cream, and that was everything we had tonight. Let me know what you had for Thanksgiving, and I'll see you next time. Bye!